In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make unique voices with AI. To get started, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you are inside, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Voices tab. This is where you can create, manage, and organize the voices in your library. From there, click Create Voice to begin the process. After that, choose the Voice Design option. This tool is specifically meant for generating a brand new voice based on the characteristics you describe, which makes it a great choice if you want something original and tailored to a specific style. Next, you'll be prompted to fill out two main text boxes. The first one is the voice prompt. This is where you describe the voice you want the AI to create. The more specific you are here, the better your result is likely to be. For example, you can describe the tone, age range, energy level, accent, pacing, or overall personality of the voice. If you want a calm and professional narrator, say that clearly. If you want something more energetic, cinematic, soft-spoken, or dramatic, include those details as well. This part really shapes the final outcome. So take a moment and be intentional with your wording. Before moving on, click the settings and turn the preview text toggle off. This gives you more control over how you want to test the voice. Then, in the preview text box, enter the text you want the AI to speak while testing. This is useful because it lets you hear how the generated voice sounds with your own sample line. If you don't want to write your own, you can also use the pre-built random prompts. That can be helpful if you just want to quickly test the voice design without spending extra time creating custom text. Once that's done, adjust the loudness and guidance scale percentages. Loudness affects how strong or prominent the voice sounds, while guidance scale influences how closely the AI follows the voice description you provided. If the result feels too plain, too exaggerated, or just slightly off, these settings can help fine-tune the output. Small adjustments can make a noticeable difference, so it's worth experimenting a little. When everything looks good, click Generate Voice. The AI will create 3 different voice variations for you. Listen carefully to each one and compare them, based on the style you had in mind. Once you find the version that best fits your vision, select it. Give it a name, and save it to your library so you can use it later in your projects. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.